How you doing, guys? Today we have 2013 Nissan Juke and the customer wants another key. I'm gonna create Autel key. Let's get started. So I'm gonna use IM100 and I'm gonna connect the dongle in the OBD right underneath. By the way, if you like those videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. So I'm gonna turn the ignition on with the existing key and I'm going to go in the machine to immobilizer. Then I'm going to go to Nissan. I'm going to go to automatic selection. It tells me to turn the hazard lights on and open and close the driver door. So the driver door is open. I'm going to close it up and I'm going to hit OK. Now it's gonna go to the security system. I'm gonna fast forward a little bit. And now we're in the menu. We're gonna go to Immobilizer Smart System. Then we're gonna go to Remote Control Learning. Then we're gonna go to Smart Key Learning. And it tells me to turn on the hazards, open and close the driver door, and it tells me to turn off the engine, the switch. I'm gonna hit OK. And it tells me that it's gonna erase all of the keys and we'll have to rewrite them. I'm gonna hit yes. Alright, it tells me to long press on the remote until the dash lights are coming on. I'm going to hit OK. It's going to tell me to turn the engine off. Then it tells me to push the button. So I'm going to push once and I'm going to keep the key attached to it until I see 5 blinking lights on it. That means it registered the first key. It tells me to turn it off. I'm going to hit OK. Then the second key. I'm going to do the same. I'm going to turn it on and keep it next to the ignition and I see the 5 blinking lights and I'm going to turn it off again. It asks me if I want to register another key. I'm going to ask no. It tells me to turn the ignition on and then off again. Then tell me to open and close the driver door and let's test it. The Autel keys are working just perfect, the way it should. Locks and unlocks. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.